I built a 348,000 subscriber YouTube channel using only simple, basic AI avatars, and it's been making money since month 2. If I can do it, so can you. And the best part? I just found a new method that works like deepfakes, but better. You can copy not just someone's face, but their motion too. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create AI influencers that go far beyond basic avatars and turn your ideas into real income. For example, you can create a dancer or cosplayer influencer without needing to spend time or money learning skills or buying equipment. Or you can create influencers with absurd concepts like this that hook viewers and drive engagement. Now, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Part 1. Why AI influencers? In 2026, global social media users have reached 6 billion. Around 5% of them, or about 300 million people, are creating content. But only 1%, around 30 million, actually make money from it. Do you know why? Because most human influencers are boring. They're doing the same ordinary things that everyone else is already doing, and you're not always in the mood to film content every day. But now, we're entering the era of AI influencers, the kind of influencers that can do almost anything from just a text or image prompt, anytime and anywhere, without depending on your mood. And the surprising part is, this type of influencer often has a higher success rate than traditional human influencers. So before it's too late, it's better to start learning how to create one now. And the good news is, in 2026, you can create any kind of AI influencer in no time if you use the right tools. You can also align it with your passion or niche that you're interested in, so you won't lose motivation during the process. Part 2. Tool selection. Before creating your AI influencer, you need the right tools. You'll need an AI image generator and a video generator that match your style, because every tool has its own strengths. For example, NanoBanana 2 is great for realistic characters, while Midjourney works best for anime. If you need strong character consistency, go with Seedance 2.0. And for motion control, Kling 3.0 is one of the best. But here's the problem. All of these models keep evolving. So instead of jumping between multiple tools, it's much more efficient to use an all-in-one platform that gives you everything in one place. That's why, in this video, I'm using SGen AI. SGen comes with 3 main modes. Agent mode lets you guide the AI step by step. Template mode helps you create videos quickly using ready-made ideas. And tool mode gives you full control using multiple AI models. So no matter your workflow, you can choose what fits you best. If you're new to SGen, check the link in the description to get started. Part 3. Step by step. By following these steps, you'll learn how to create video content where your AI influencer can wear any outfit you want and move naturally, like dancing or doing other activities. Step 1. Create your character. To create your AI influencer, log in to your SGen account, go to Tool mode, and make sure the image category is selected. Next, choose the AI model that fits your style. In this example, I'm using NanoBanana 2 because I want a realistic character. If you have a face or character reference, you can upload it. Then, describe your character in detail in the prompt box. After that, select the aspect ratio and resolution. Then click Generate. Once you're happy with the result, you can upscale the image, add lip sync, or turn it into a video directly. Step 2. Change outfit and pose. One of the biggest advantages of AI influencers is how easy it is to change outfits. Simply find an outfit you like online, then ask the AI to apply it to your character. To do this, stay on the same page, upload your character and the outfit reference, and write a prompt telling the AI to make your character wear that outfit. You can also use this method to change the pose, background, or environment. Step 3. Motion control. Now, let's make your character move. Instead of relying on trial and error with prompts, the easiest way is to copy motion from an existing video. For example, you can use a viral dancing video as a reference. Go to the video section, then choose Kling 3 Motion Control, which is one of the best models for this right now. Upload your character image and the reference video. Then write a simple prompt telling the AI to follow the movement from the reference. Click Generate, and your AI influencer will move just like the original video. As you can see, creating an AI influencer with realistic movement is now much easier than before. No need for cameras, costumes, or traveling. All you need is an AI character, reference images, and a video to copy motion from. That's it. Don't forget to drop your AI influencer channel or name in the comments so we can follow each other. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below. And if you want to create a viral AI singer or girl band, check out this video.